In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Cloudflare cache. This is an essential task if you're managing a website and you need to make sure that changes you implement on your site are reflected instantly for visitors. Clearing your cached files can help provide the freshest content and minimize any display issues caused by outdated resources. It's quite a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Cloudflare account dashboard. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudflare homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your account credentials if you haven't done so already. If you use Cloudflare regularly, your credentials should already be saved, which makes this process quick and easy. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare home dashboard. Here, what you need to do is look for the domains section. This area is where all of the domains associated with your Cloudflare account are listed. Click on Domains to proceed. Once you've clicked on Domains, you'll see a list of websites that you're managing through Cloudflare. Carefully scan through this list and click on the domain for which you wish to clear the cache. It's important to ensure you're working with the right domain because cache purging is a global action affecting the selected site, so taking this step deliberately will help prevent any unintended cache clears. After selecting the desired domain, focus your attention on the navigation menu located on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Caching. This step takes you to the caching section, where you'll find various cache management options provided by Cloudflare. With the caching section open, your next move is to select Configuration. Clicking on Configuration will reveal several settings associated with caching tasks and permissions. This is where you can manage how Cloudflare handles cache for your selected domain. In the configuration area, there's a button labeled Purge Everything. Click on Purge Everything to clear all cached files related to your site. It's a direct and comprehensive action, ensuring that every cached resource will be removed from Cloudflare's edge servers, thus serving fresh content. Finally, confirm your action when prompted. By purging everything, you ensure that the visitors to your site are seeing the most up-to-date version of your content. Keep in mind that changes might take a few moments to fully propagate across Cloudflare's network due to the global nature of data distribution. And that wraps it up. You've now successfully cleared the cache for your domain on Cloudflare. Remember to check your website to verify that the changes you intended to implement are showing as expected. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.